Bitcoin Ethereum, the worst Q1 in many years. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for CryptoNews, Crypto to the Mask with Rodrigo Arnedo. And yes, it seems that we are getting ready for the worst returns in 7 years. The worst Q1. We are closing it right now, and it's not beautiful. It's quite ugly, to be honest. With Ethereum, we are close to have the most terrible Q1 in the whole history. And with Bitcoin, well, not a very good one. We have to go to 2018 to see something as terrible as that. So yeah, any case, if we go to the monthly, January was a good one for Bitcoin, February terrible. What about March? It's in the red. But I believe, and remember that you never should listen to me because I have no idea whatsoever what I'm talking about, but I believe we're gonna close it in the green. How is that possible? Because we have still today, and as I record this video, my bet is we're going to go up. We'll see about that. It's just a 3%. We need to go to 84,300 and close the candle in the green. And I am praying like all these people in this cult so that the candle will rise. I think still a possibility out there. And why is that? Of course, because of the gap in the CME future. You can see that we closed this one, we closed this other one, and I wanted to hold it till today, till the open of the futures in the CME, because if not, we will have had another gap above us, and that's not a good thing. We are in the hour chart right now, and you can see we have this small gap, so we have to go back to 81,800, something like that, and then I believe that we're gonna go and close this gap, because everybody believes that things are going to go south, and remember that usually it goes all the way around. So 84,000 in the cards today. That's my crazy opinion. Of course, I will be wrong. Things are worse for Ethereum right now. We had a red January, red February, and it was awkward because usually February is a good month for Ethereum. And March is in the red big time. We have to go again to 2020 to have one like this. And it's just 2 times in Ethereum history we had a red March, and we are having the 3rd one. And I don't believe that today we're going to solve this 20% that we need to fix. And you can see here that, well, Ethereum is just playing with the minimum we had here, 1,756. We don't want to lose that. If we do so, we are in big trouble. Actually, if you go to the chart, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you can see we are in a minimum for Ethereum that we don't have since 2020. So terrible chat for Ethereum. This is ugly. This is okay, but what is this? I hate this chart. Come on, Ethereum. You can make it. You are 74% down against Bitcoin since switching from proof of work to proof of stake. Vitalik Buterin now playing with robots. Don't play with robots. Do not have a girlfriend. You have to go and develop. You have to fix this, Vitalik Buterin. Come on, you can do it. No, I can't. We just saw Vitalik Buterin living in the streets, selling some vegetables to the tourists. So, any case, if you want to be scared, we have more for Ethereum. Allegedly, an Ethereum ICO participant just moved 1,700 Ethereum, 3.18 million, to Binance after 7 years of dormancy. So people selling Ethereum, but we have Simon and myself with a controversial opinion. Ethereum is going to outperform the other major cryptocurrencies still this year. The main reason for this will be the Ethereum ETF with staking, and also a major change into DeFi, everybody coming from Texas to Dexes, and that will start the NFT season 2.0. I believe this might happen. What about you? Leave a comment below. Tell me everything about it. Consider also that on Friday, Bitcoin spot ETFs saw outflows, but Ethereum saw inflows. And also, in a technical perspective, consider that we're going to have Spectra. We're going to have this hard fork on April the 30th, and Ethereum keeps on improving. Any case, right now it's time for Bitcoin. The dominance is the highest since 2020. Crazy how strong Bitcoin is right now in the crypto sphere. And we'll see what April is going to bring us. This is all the Aprils in Bitcoin history represented in this trading view chart. And you can see that I still believe we might be around here. I think this is what we've lived here, close to it. It's not the same. It doesn't have to be the same. But now I believe that we will have these months ahead of us. We'll see about that. Michael Saylor believes the same. He believes that you shouldn't sell your Bitcoin during this shakeout, and $444,000 is happening sooner than you think. Good for Michael Saylor. Also good for Mike Alfred telling us this about Bitcoin. On March 25th, 2017, Bitcoin bottomed at 903. In April the 1st, 2017, Bitcoin opened at 1,071. It rallied April-May, nearly hitting $3,000 in June. Months later, Bitcoin broke decisively over 3,000 on August 6th. Bitcoin didn't break 6,000 till October the 30th, and on December the 19th, we were in the $2,000 range. So this came from March 25, 2017, 900, all the way this year just to $20,000. We believe this is something that's still in the cards. Remember, we saw the buy sign on the hash ribbons, and we told you everything about game strategy. All this in previous videos. You have to watch them all. You need all this alpha, all this free information, always free here on Fan on the Right Crypto News. So yeah, Bitcoin in any case needs to hold with the $80,000 line. We need to go up and break all these resistances we also told you in previous videos. And today we have to talk about the official reciprocal tariffs week. So Donald Trump making his things. Also Elon Musk, I have to watch this conference he did with a cheese in his head. Well, allegedly he's referencing this book that I love, Who Stole My Cheese? And he's saying that they are doing a good job with Doge in the United States, and they are going to take away the cheese that some people will eat. It's not your cheese, it's the cheese of the people. And that's what they are doing. They are providing cheese to people and taking it away from others that don't deserve it. Also, Elon Musk is doing crazy stuff. You know that XAI acquired X, and people believe this is a major game for Elon Musk, because now he's in the best position for having the best AI out there. Why? Because he has all these people that we are just tweeting all day long, and with this information you are teaching your AI, so it's going to be the smartest and the more connected with reality. But in this tariffs week, we call it that. Donald Trump called it Liberation Day, April the 2nd. Expect volatility. For example, in Japan, we dropped 4%. Friday was a bad day in the United States. Today, bad day in China. Just expect it to be down. Also, the S&P 500, with this bad news with the SMA, everybody's so concerned about this point. I am too. And you know that I go deeper than all the rest. That's why you smash the like button and you are subscribed, aren't you, to this channel. So yeah, if we go to 2017 to 2021, when Donald Trump was elected, we had not such a thing in the period that we can compare right now. So this is terrible compared with that moment. But if we take the whole mandate from 2017 to 2021, you can see that we had some drops from this line. here, there, and also here. The worst one took 266 days. So if we are doing this moment, we're going to go in a crypto winter till December the 25th, which is not the best scenario. At that point, we will start recovering. This is a possibility. It is. So be ready for that, are you? But also consider these two other moments in Donald Trump term, which were shorter. Here, just 77 days, and here, 22 days. So with around 70 days, we'll go down till June, I said August, and then recover. This is something that might happen, so just be aware of that. We'll tell you how this progresses in further videos. China, Japan, and South Korea agree to promote regional trade as Trump tariffs approach. President Trump announced new pharmaceutical tariffs, and also he says that he's going to meet Canada representative to talk about all this. In Europe also, Europe is going to make trade concessions to avoid President Trump's reciprocal tariffs. Everything is a mess because of that. We'll see about the agenda. We expect it. Bitcoin to be around $69,000 in August, maybe. It's not ideal, but it's a possibility. So we'll see. Right now, we are not doing as we expected, but we still have this agenda ahead of us. And this week, we have so many key economic events that we need to consider, related with jobs, related with manufacturers. And also on Friday, Jerome Powell is going to give a speech. Very important moment. Also, Miles Deutscher comparing situation right now with Donald Trump's first term. Well, Bitcoin was good after 200 days from the inauguration. So right now, if you are expecting to take some profits, well, we are still on track for Bitcoin. And that's something that gives us some optimism. Also, we are on track with dollar behavior from that time. And remember, that means that this chart still is a possibility, Bitcoin going crazy up in the future. Consider that 1 billion USDT were just minted. That means that money might come into some of these cryptos. Now the bubbles are in the extreme red, but we have some good news out there. Like, for example, the SEC just leaving alone some projects like HawkTuah Girl Halliwell's said the SEC closed the investigation they had. So good for it, but not good for the price. Going up a little bit, but from a very terrible perspective that you can see on dextools.io. Dextools.io, thank you very much for all the support you provided us for a long time. You have the link in the description below, the tool you need to understand this crazy world out there. Gold keeps on making new all-time highs, huge, that we've seen more than 50 all-time highs over the last 12 months with gold, and it goes higher than that. You need to consider that gold prices are now up 70% in 16 months with a new record market cap of 20.75 trillion. In fact, gold is worth 1.25 trillion more combined with the top 10 most valuable assets. So it's crazy how gold now is popular. And why? Well, because of all the tension, geopolitical, macroeconomical, and all that. We want Bitcoin to be this gold, the gold 2.0 right now. Gold is being gold, and Bitcoin is behaving like a risk asset. It's not what we expect. We want Bitcoin to turn this around. We want everybody buying Bitcoin just in case and not just buying gold. But if you want to buy gold, you want to buy Bitcoin, doesn't matter. Go to bitpanda.com. If you are in Europe, you can trade. If you are a mega pro, I told you everything in this video about Bitpanda Fusion. Do not miss that out. But now we have a lovely promotion. It's just this week, so you better do this right now. You need to understand that Bitpanda is getting to 600 and more crypto assets. So they are giving away 60,000 euro in Bitcoin to 60 winners. How do we participate in this draws, this contest? I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. Monday, we have to buy at least 60 euro of one of the assets, top preference ones. And that's the way you participate. So I'm gonna do it right away. You go to transaction on Bitpanda, you to buy, you choose, for example, Bitcoin, why not? And then you choose, in my case, 65, because I don't want to risk it. You click on next. It's going to ask you about credit card. Maybe you have money in your Euro wallet and you're good to go. Do not miss that one out. Tomorrow we're going to do another one. All this week we're going to do these tasks because we want to be the winners of these 60,000 euros. Amazing. Thank you very much, Bitpanda, partners of Fun on the Ride. And yeah, thank you. That's what people from BitMEX will say to President Trump. He pardoned 3 co-founders of the exchange. Of course, we have their highs, but also Benjamin Dello and Samuel Reed. So, well, now people saying that crypto is getting political. People considering that maybe FTX founder Sam Sagath is going to be out from jail soon. We'll see about it. President Trump will host El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele at the White House next month. Also huge for Bitcoin. That is Gimli-style magical internet money. Of course, as Cardano is too. Come with us, validate with us, make your money machine. You can see how we are validating like crazy and we don't have more people coming. We want to be 500. So come with us. If you don't know how, just go to our funontheright.com site, pull Cardano. There you have this video where I explain you how to do it in a very, very easy way. Create your freedom machine. And now let's chill and enjoy life because you never know when a earthquake is going to hit you. Terrible what happened in Thailand. But yeah, we are here holding like this guy. He had to clean these windows in the moment of the earthquake. This is like the market right now in crypto. And we are holding there like crazy. Of course, and learning like this cat is doing about technology, learning about all we need to do in order to improve and survive. And of course, you do that with our other channel, Rodrigo Arnedo, Inteligencia Artificial. Everything you need to know about AI is in that channel. And more about Bitcoin here on Rodrigo Arnedo, CryptoNews, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, pouring in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!